You don't need a big budget to dominate local search. You just need this checklist. My name is Dave Burnett, and I'm the founder of AOKmarketing.com, promotionalproducts.com, and achievers.com, which sold back in 2015 for $110 million. Let's get to it. To help make this a little bit more real for you, let's break down exactly how one of our clients, Home Painters Toronto, went from a well reviewed but really kind of invisible local presence to generating thousands of local leads, and how you can follow the exact same roadmap. There's 6 parts to this roadmap. Let's start off with number 1, tightening up their Google Ads targeting. So they were a bit more broad, but what they did was they focused their ad spend on hyper-local keywords like residential painters in Toronto or exterior brick painting near me. This really helped identify exactly where they were targeting. And then we layered on negative keywords. So basically, what they don't want to be shown for to filter out irrelevant clicks and stretch the budget even further. Second thing that they did was they built landing pages that convert. So instead of sending traffic just to a generic homepage, they built service specific landing pages. For example, brick painting, exterior painting, brick staining, all those different types of things. So they were all optimized for conversions in that they were fast loading, mobile friendly, clear calls to action. So that's the second thing they did. Third thing they did was they integrated their Google business profile. So their ads and landing pages align with their Google business profile, providing local relevance and improving trust. So their Google business profile, they didn't just set it once and forget it. They updated it regularly with new photos, whatever service categories they were offering, seasonality, and their accurate business information. Fourth thing they did, local ad extensions. So in their ads, you can do local extensions and call extensions so customers could just quickly click to call or get directions instantly, a major thing that helped them with their local ads success. Fifth thing, they became review experts. After each completed job, they actively asked for reviews and linked customers directly to their Google reviews page. So they were quickly able to get these reviews. And not only that, once the reviews were posted, they as an organization responded, building and boosting their credibility and local ranking. And then the last thing they did was they refined their messaging for local trust. So they added credibility, over 1,100 5-star reviews and serving Toronto for 34 years. Kind of truth that builds instant trust. So what was the result? They got an additional 2.3 million impressions over the year, 63,000 engagements with a conversion rate of over 10%. Now, 10% sounds great, but it's really good when you compare it to the industry average of 2 to 5%. Now, the best part about this is their industry benchmarks for acquisition for a lead is kind of $60 to $120 for home services. They were able to average between $25 and $50. So much, much better than the industry performers and the industry standards. So they combined tight targeting, compelling messaging, great landing pages, conversion first user experience, and they turned the local search into a scalable lead engine that they're doing millions of dollars a year. Let's say you want to take this and apply it to yourself. So whether you're a plumber, dentist, painter, personal trainer, just basically showing up when and where people are searching is the number one way to grow. So the way you do this is by improving your local search footprint. And it's not complicated. It's just about really optimizing and controlling the basics. How you appear in Google, where you're listed, what your customers say about you, and how you respond to those things. So here's the plan. Number 1, verify and claim your local Google business profile. Your Google business profile is the kind of your modern storefront. If it's unclaimed or incomplete, you're basically not building the trust you need and handing those leads to your competitors. So, action step. Go to Google business profile, claim your listing, and then verify it through phone, email, postcard, whatever you need to do. Second thing, your name, address, and phone consistency. That's also called your NAP. So basically what you want to do is make sure that your name, address, and phone number are consistent across multiple listings on the internet. Inconsistent listings will confuse Google and hurt your rankings. So what you need to do, there's various tools out there. One example is Moz Local, another one's Yext, another one's Bright Local. You can just take a look at these tools and audit and fix your business information on all those major direct. And that way you'll show up correctly on Yelp, Bing, Google Maps, Apple Maps, et cetera, et cetera. Number 3, update your listings with photos and services. So photos increase engagement. Listings with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more click-throughs to websites, according to Google. So fix it. Action step, upload high-quality images. Interior, exterior, team members, services in action, whatever it is, make sure that you've got photos there. Then fill out every section. What are your business hours? What are your frequently asked questions? What are your service and service areas? Do all these things. Then finally, get and respond to local reviews. Reviews are the new word of mouth. They boost your local rankings and they convert these kind of fence sitters, people who aren't sure whether or not they should go with you, into real prospects and customers. So, your action step, ask every satisfied customer for a review. Make it easy with a link and always reply because it shows Google and your audience that you're active and trustworthy. So, and if you want a bonus action step, start some local ads to jumpstart your visibility. So, once your organic presence is set up, you can amplify it with ads. That's exactly what Home Painters Toronto did. And the right geo targeting and the right keyword strategy, they got immediate local visibility and results. So, here's your plan. Claim your listing, fix your NAP across directories, add photos, ask for reviews, and then advertise. Hopefully that was a little bit helpful. Thank you very much for watching. And if you found it a little bit valuable, I'd love if you could like, share, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.